Greetings everyone. Welcome to Geeks for Geeks School, and in this video we are beginning a new course of C programming. Let us begin with the first part of this course. In this video we are going to have a small introduction to programming. So, what is programming? Programming is a way to instruct a computer to do a specific task. यानी कि अगर एक इंसान को काम करवाना है कंप्यूटर से, तो उसको कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन देनी होगी, एक कमांड देनी होगी जिससे वो अपना डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट ले सके. एंड द प्रोसेस गोज लाइक दिस. दिस इज द पर्सन जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस देगा, जो एक कमांड्स हैं जो आप काम करवाना चाहते हो, इसको देगा वो कंप्यूटर को, और कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा, वो टास्क आपका कंप्लीट कर देगा. Alright? Now, the computer is simply a machine, so it doesn't know how to do the task that is given by you. Alright? अगर आपको कोई टास्क करवाना है कंप्यूटर से, तो आपको ये इंस्ट्रक्शन तो देनी ही पड़ेगी कि क्या करना है, लेकिन आपको ये भी बताना पड़ेगा कि कैसे करना है वो काम. तो द कंप्यूटर हैज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू अ पर्टिकुलर टास्क. आप जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो आप दे रहे हो, दे कैन बी एज स्मॉल एज 2+2. सिंपली एक एडिशन का क्वेश्चन दे सकते हो कंप्यूटर को और उसका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा 4. एंड दे कैन बी एज बिग एज सेंडिंग द मैन टू द मून. ऑलराइट, कंप्यूटर कैन डू huge number of tasks, and they can also do the simplest form of task as well. Now the question arises how to give these instructions to the computer, and the answer is a computer programming language. Simply, अगर जैसे आपकी लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश, पंजाबी और हिंदी, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर भी एक लैंग्वेज में समझता है जो आप कमांड दे रहे हो, and that is a computer programming language. Now, with the help of these languages, the instructions are given to the computer, and the computer completes the task that is given by you. Alright? Now, let us revise how the whole process goes. That is given by you. Alright? A person gives instructions to the computer, and how? With the help of a programming language. Alright, and after these instructions are given, the computer performs the task. अब programming languages सिर्फ एक नहीं है. Like C is not the only language that is available to give instructions to the computer. There are many languages such as C++, Java, and Python. There are many more languages other than these, but these are the majorly used languages to give instructions to the computer. Now, these languages are divided into 3 categories known as machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. Machine language is the language which is understandable by the computer. The computer only understands this type of language, that is zeros and ones. These are known as binary numbers, that is 0 and 1, such as 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, this like this. Assembly language is a language which is partially machine language and partially high level language, such as move A, B. इसका मतलब ये है कि B में जो कंटेंट है वो हमें मूव करना है किसमें, A में. And high level language is the simplest form of language. It has English like statements, which means such as print hello. Now, computer does not understand this type of language. So, these two languages, assembly language and machine high level language, has to be converted into machine language. So, after this conversion of high level language or assembly language into machine language, the computer understands the code, the command that you are given, So after end it completes the task.
Well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. For more information, visit geeksforgeeks.org.